How are we? Hope you're all doing well. This video we're going to be getting some new tyres because I've been neglecting these tyres for about a year now. I actually bought new rims about a year ago and the tyres on them were pretty bad condition. So yeah, we're going to finally get some good tyres. Great. As you can see, the tyres are pretty bad. On the inner side there's actually wire sticking out. It's really low, so we'll go change them. We got the SS-nator right here, so we're just about to leave to go get some tyres. Now here at the tire dealership thing. So yeah. Guys, we've just finished getting the tires done and we're at the United Servo getting some E85 for it. Good old race fuel. Yeah, so I'll just show you the tires.
So as you can see, brand new, much better condition.
Also got a wheel alignment set up for roll racing camber.
Looking real good.
The E85 going in.
Roll racing ready.
Roll racing ready.
See you at the track.